My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, is me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. And it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, cool. So, we're going to do this not fast, but I fell asleep. If y'all saw my last review, I had just got back from Japan, Tokyo. That was on Monday. Today is Wednesday. No, today's Tuesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. So I only had one day to rest because I have a flight with Harlem and Classic and Jess. We have a flight in about, it is 6 o'clock now. It's about 4 hours. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, about 4 hours to go to Baltimore because my mother is getting married. Yes. My mother is getting married. Let me get a whole bunch of congratulations, Linda. That's her name, Linda, in the comments below if you don't mind. Her wedding is on Saturday, so I'm trying to hurry up and do these reviews. I actually picked up, I got 2 shoes today. I'm gonna do a quick review for this one. I picked this up unexpectedly. Did not think I was gonna get it. And the other shoe, I knew it was coming, but I didn't know it was gonna come today. So, doing this review real quick. This might be the last review of September. It is September 27th as I am speaking right now. I don't really see me buying nothing else for this month, but you never know. I might go down to Baltimore, I might see something. When I went to Tokyo, I didn't think I was going to buy no shoes, and I bought some Yeezys. They had some Yeezys. They had the orange ones. I did not do a review for that because Yeezys are so old, and I don't even know. I think they're in my closet. But I got them orange Yeezys. I forgot what they called. But anyway, all right. So they did a sneaker. What was it called? Sneaker Reservoir or something like. I forgot what it's called. See if I can pull it up. Yeah, Sneaker Reserve. They did a Sneaker Reserve today at 10:49 a.m. If you can see that, I still got a notification on my other phone, and they only released I think 4 shoes. Let's see if it'll load up real quick. They released 4 shoes. 3 of the 4 I did have. Yeah, you can't even. Yeah, they can't even. They don't even show it no more. So basically, what it was the Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1. I guess I'm gonna say UNC told. That's what it was. Those. The Air Jordan 1 Palominos, and it was something else. I can't remember the other one. It was those 2, another shoe, and the Air Jordan 4. I don't even remember the name of it. Winter. Man, I can't remember. It was the women's ones. And I thought it was gonna be able to. I thought he was still gonna show it, but I guess because it was this morning, not gonna show it no more. But it was 4 shoes. Like I said, I got 3 of the 4 shoes. The women's shoe. I think it was Frozen in Time, Frozen Moments, something like that. It's one of those 2. I did do a review for that. Go check that out. It would be I'll put it up there after I get to it. But I went there, and as soon as they came up at 11 a.m., they were sold out. So I was like, but I was in luck. Foot Locker, this is so crazy, coincidence, true story. As I struck out on that, I was at Foot Locker, and someone returned that exact shoe my size. Ain't that crazy? Like, they returned the shoe that I did not get on sneakers in a restock, a small restock, my size. That's crazy. Size 10. Read this. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Light Iron Sail Neutral Gray is the color. If you hear that little, that's Yoda walking around. Size 10, which is the equivalent of an 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. These suggested retail price I think was $215, so they came out pretty steep. I think it was like $229 or something like that. It was pretty steep with no discount. So, but I did want the shoe. This shoe grew on me. I did the review for this. Frozen Moments or Frozen in Time, I forgot it's called. But the review will be up there right now. I'm gonna put it up there so y'all can see that. I did an early review for this. And even back then I was like, I don't know if I want this or not. I'm debating. And you know what? I wound up pulling the trigger. When I was in Tokyo, I saw the shoe on display. They didn't have my size. A couple weeks after it released, I saw the shoe in my size out here. I saw the shoe on display. They didn't have my size, so I thought this was like the third time I saw it, and this was actually my size. So I pulled the trigger on this. I'm not gonna give y'all a full review on this because, like I said, I did do an early review for this already a few weeks back, and at the beginning of me talking about this, it was up there. So go check that review out if you want to. But yeah, it's a great shoe. It's not nothing special. What you think about this classic?
6.
6? Yeah, it's not that special. I mean, I love Jordan 4s. That's why I pulled the trigger on it. So it is what it is. First sip. All right, so like I said, that's not a review. Y'all want the review? Go look at it. I got it already. So all right, now to the actual shoe that came in the mail today, and this is a early review because this shoe dropped September the 30th. So this weekend. I thought these already dropped because they dropped on sneakers. So I guess that was like an early drop for sneakers. Woo. There we go. That's how you can tell, like, I'm not faking this. This literally came a couple hours ago, but I fell asleep. I took a nap, and yeah. So I am not faking this. I did not open this yet, and I'm hoping it is what I think it. Yep, it is what it is. Okay, it is what I thought it was. All right. Boom. You see the Jordan lid? Nothing special. This is one of those take-off top. Nothing like that. Gray bottom. All right. It reads Air Jordan 8 Retro. Black. True red. White is the color. Suggested retail price I think was $180. I'm not too sure. Is there a receipt in here? They don't. I guess they don't give you receipts no more. I'll tell y'all when I get to the information about the receipt. Retail price. Size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair. No reseller here. Before I open this, let me know in the comments below if I should get a mic. I'm thinking about investing in a mic. So sometimes I feel like I even talk too low because I got some little background music a little bit, and sometimes I feel like I'm yelling. Like right now, I feel like I'm yelling. So let me know if I should invest in one of those little mics that every other YouTuber got. I'm thinking about getting. Let me know in the comments below. All right, so without further ado, woo! Here we go, baby. Here we go. Here we go, baby. All right, we got the. Boom. Put that right there. We got the Air Jordan 8 Playoff. Boom. All right, cool. Like I said, the Air Jordan 8 Playoff. This is what a lot of people have been waiting on. I think this is the most popular colorway of one of the most unpopular silhouettes. Not too many. I think the two most unpopular silhouettes, I'm talking the main silhouettes, 1 through 14. I'm not talking about 15 through 23 or 24, whatever. I think the two most unpopular silhouettes are maybe the 8s and the 2s. I can probably agree with the 8s. I'm not really a fan of the 8s. They're a very bulky shoe. I like the 2s. I do like 2s. I have a lot of 2s in my collection, but I think they're the most. I think 6s may fall in that category too. What are you chewing on? You chewing on that Betamax toy I got you from Tokyo? That's alright. We get you now. I bought him a Betamax toy from Tokyo, and Chewy just living up to his name, just chewing on it. Chewy, come on, give it to me. Give me the toy. He didn't want to bring it over here. Anyway, all right. So I got some information for y'all. This is off of kicksonfire.com. Hold up, let me get this. It'll be right next to me. It is now up right next to me right there. Shout out to kicksonfire.com. It reads, the Air Jordan 8 Playoffs made its original debut back in 2007, and it was last offered in 2013. So it has had two initial releases, 2007, 2013. So this is the third. Now, the highly coveted colorway of the classic silhouette will be making a retro appearance in 2023 as it pays homage to the last sneaker that Michael Jordan wore during that Game 6 of the 1993 NBA Finals against the Phoenix Suns, which eventually led to the Chicago Bulls to their first three-peat NBA championship, as well as Michael Jordan's third straight Finals MVP. So Michael Jordan wore this in 1993 of Game 6 of the NBA Finals against, if I'm not mistaken, Charles Barkley and the Phoenix Suns. I'm not mistaken. The 2023 retro will flaunt the very same black true red color scheme as the 2013 retro and essentially stay true to its OG makeup, featuring the distinctive graphic overlays on the mudguards and multicolored rubber outsoles. Our first look also shows that the shoe will also come with the original red pull tabs like the OG pair instead of the black that was used on the previous retro. So the previous retro that came out in 2007 came with a black pull tab, but the OG one that came with a red pull tab, so they went back to that. I think this is like, and the retail, suggested retail price was, they don't say it. They don't even say it on here too. Or did I pass it already? No, oh, there it is. $210. Okay, yeah, $210. So yeah, $210. You can buy it right now from all autumn resale sites, Gold, StockX, all those. And release date is September 30th. Like I said, so this is an early review. Let me take that off the screen. All right, so Nuba was this suede? I think it's suede. I'm not mistaken. Suede upper like that. Got that red 23 right there, signature right there. Got the colorful graphics on the inside, as you can see that. On the tongue, got that furry tongue. Circle with the red Jumpman right there. Well, I gotta put some lotion on because I just got out of the shower, people, and I am ashy. So let me put some lotion on before I start showing y'all this shoe and I get all in the camera and y'all see my knuckles looking like I'm a 70-year-old Caucasian male. So let me put some lotion on real quick. Alright, cool. Alright, so got Air Jordan right there, if you can see that, on the little strap. Hopefully you can see that right there. Like I said previously, red pull tab. Got some more of the little graffiti graphics right there on the side. Right there. Black midsole. Got this triple color outer sole, red, blue, yellow Jumpman right there with more of the graffiti graphic right there. Multi-color. And all in all, it's a great shoe. I like it because it is a classic. No pun intended, classic. But it's okay. It's a Jordan 8, so that might not be your cup of tea, but I am a fan of OGs. Like, not just, I'm a fan of true OGs. So I think there's two types of OGs. There's OGs where they re-release a shoe from the original silhouette, but maybe in a different colorway. For instance, the Ray Allen 7s. The 7s are a OG, but that's not an OG color. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a fan of I'm a fan of true OGs. This is Jordan wore this and this color, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure he did. If I'm wrong, y'all gonna kill me in the comments. But I'm pretty sure he did. Like they just stated in the nice kicks. Kicks on fire. Excuse me. Stated in the little summary I gave y'all. But all in all, it's a good shoe. Not nothing special. I go first. You know, me and Classy usually grade this 1 to 10. I'll probably give it a 7.5. Now give me this. He is chewing on Betamax arm. This is Betamax's arm. He's just chewing on it.
That's just sad.
I don't want him to choke on it. But yeah, 1 to 10. What I said? I said 7.5.
Yeah.
So what you doing? You doing 7.5? What you doing?
7.6.
This guy always want to. He don't want to laugh because he coughed. He a little bit sick. But I told him that to get these coughs out right now because once we go on that plane, one cough they gonna be like, oh, get him off, get him off. Ever since COVID, you can't even laugh in public no more. They automatically think you're sick. You okay? All right. Anyway, let's wrap this up. Class, you give him a 7.6. I give it a 7.5. He just wanted to go 1 point higher than me.
Okay.
It's a nice little colorway. It is a true OG. It's easy to match up, and but it's not nothing special. It's a black shoe with some color in it, so it is what it is. But y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks. and the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.